civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Washington, D.C., beginning at 9:23 p.m. and ending at 10:23 p.m. The 4th District is on the scene of a confirmed kidnapping in the 3800 block of New Hampshire Avenue NW. Look out for 2020 Black Toyota at Fort bearing Meriden tax 3DY 5327. The vehicle was taken with 2 children in the car, ages 2 and 4. The 2-year-old is a B/F wearing a purple jacket, and 4-year-old is B/M wearing a green/gray jacket. No lookout for the suspect.